Democratic U.S. Senate candidate Troy Jackson was campaigning in Portland last night. It was only the second public appearance that the campaign has invited local press to cover since Jackson secured the party's nomination to replace Graham Plattner 26 days ago. Phil Hirschkorn reports.
We can win this race, and we'll do it together.
Troy Jackson addressing dozens of supporters at the new Supper Club Cocktail Lounge in Portland, the former logger and state Senate president listing his top issues.
It's about making sure that we have health care. We have prescription drugs, child care, nursing homes, housing, access to abortion.
Jackson criticizing his Republican opponent, Senator Susan Collins, saying the rural health care fund she helped create as part of the Trump budget bill last year will restore only a small fraction of the Medicaid cuts in store for Maine, also in that bill.
I see her as taking a lot more money out of the system than bringing in. I mean, I'll give her credit for the fire station and stuff like that. But if there's no one lives here anymore or can't afford to live here because she's not willing to stand up to Donald Trump, then I don't see how that's any good either.
Jackson told reporters he would not automatically oppose all Trump judicial nominees, and he told me that his prescription for universal health care, Medicare for all, can coexist with private insurance.
I think it definitely can. If you want to have your own health insurance, go right ahead. But for the rest of us that are struggling to get it, I think we should be able to have government-sponsored health care like all those elected officials have.
That was our Phil Hirschkorn reporting for us. Jackson also said that at the event said it makes no sense that the government doesn't provide health care for its citizens when it pays for the war in Iran, agencies like ICE, and tax cuts for the wealthiest Americans.